loves, Send here coming to you with another video, and in this video we will be doing a full set of polygel nails. This is a little polygel nail tutorial, and this tutorial is sponsored by Modelones. As you can see, this kit comes with a little bit of everything, so you will get a whole lot of videos coming very soon with me using all of these different colors, because they were so versed. There was absolutely no way that I could show you all of them now. And let me say this, I got excited because honey, it comes with a UV lamp, and it's actually a really nice one. Okay, so you guys, I am doing the same old. You've seen me do Modelones before, so I'm gonna have the last video that I did for Modelones in the description box below, so you guys make sure you check the description box for all of their information as well. It's discount codes and all of that. So I was feeling like money, so I decided to go ahead and use green for accent color, and I also wanted to show you guys how the stones look. I need you to keep in mind that I didn't finish the stones. I just wanted to give you an overall visual of what they actually look like. So this Polygel nail kit is really good for beginners, you guys. Everything is very self-explanatory. As long as you make sure that it fits, then it's perfect. Of course, once it dries, you can see you have to shape things up and everything like that and file a little bit, but everything is literally perfect. Okay, this was the fastest full set I have ever done. And one thing I will say, just a little tip, especially if you're a beginner with polygel, you naturally think that you have to do a little bit whenever you're putting the polygel on, and then initially, and this is just for me, I wasn't putting enough on around where the cuticle would be, the part as closest to the cuticle. I wouldn't put enough, so I would put it on my nail and it would just pop right up. I'm like, why is not staying on like everybody else in the videos? And I found out as I did it more, you have to put a little bit more product on. So don't be overly generous with the product, but don't be scared to use it. Okay, once you put the right amount on, it stays there, but then remember, if you use too much, it's gonna leak out. Okay, so it was just a little awkward with me, with my angles, but this part is, I like this part because you wiggle it around, girl. You gotta wiggle it around for a minute and then it pop off. Yes, so on the side I ended up having to go back and fix it a little bit because that one was a little too small. So just because my fingers are shaped weird, like some of my fingers grew up and some of them didn't. Okay, they didn't. Okay, so you guys keep watching and you will see how easy this is. I have alcohol right here in this little dabbing dish, and it makes it really easy to deal with the gel, but remember, you don't want to add too much, because if you add too much alcohol, then it mixes with the gel, and I don't think alcohol is meant to go on there, but it helps it to smooth out really good, and it causes a really good slip. So that's why I always have alcohol whenever I do this. And I will say that out of all of the forms, this is my favorite. I want to say dip powder, because dip powder is really easy as well. However, it's still a whole lot of cleanup sometimes, and this is my favorite, guys. It just is. I'm sorry. And it comes out perfect. So you guys make sure you check out my blog. I'm gonna leave the link to all of that information in the description box below, as well as here on the screen. My website is there and you can check out my blog there. Okay, and I will have a swatch for all of the colors that you get in this kit on my blog, so make sure you go check that out. I just wanted to show you guys how the stones look, and I am putting it on. I started to speed it up, but like I said, this video isn't long at all because this took no time. How many times have y'all seen a video on my channel this short? You don't see it that often because yeah, but this was super easy to do. But I want to say this for the nail techs around America and around the world, okay, Craig, not just the city, the world. When y'all go to nail techs and y'all ask them to do all of these rhinestones and stuff, y'all better pay them full price, because it's too much. I didn't even finish on myself, okay? So I ended up going back later. I didn't film it, but adding like smaller crystals in between, but it took forever. So I just wanted to show you guys the overall synopsis of how it looks. And I just wanted to show you how the crystals look in the kit. This is not a finished thumb, so grandchildren of America and all of the nail techs of the world, don't come for me in the comments, okay? But this is it, you guys. Make sure you let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. Make sure you check out the description box and go shop with Modelones because it's amazing. Like a polygel, yes, I love it. Yes, tell them send out sent you. Bye, girl. Wait, I forgot something. Okay, like everything was looking good, but I'm not a hand model. I work with my hands. You see, my pinky just don't want to be in the video. Like my pinky finger don't want to be in the video, y'all. No matter how hard I try. So like we just go into here, girl, because my pinky like it's been too long. I ain't ready to go, girl. So I just had to hold it into bye, girl.